Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, go to More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match, and now enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree, and Continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go to Lock Screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Okay Google. What's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.